The REC TEC Bullseye is a pellet smoker that looks quite a bit like a charcoal kettle grill. And REC TEC claims the resemblance is not purely cosmetic. They say that this grill/smoker can go low and slow like any pellet smoker, but can also get searing hot across the entire 22-inch cooking grate, just like a charcoal kettle.
Hi, I'm Max Good, Director of Equipment Reviews and Keeper of the Flame at AmazingRibs.com. Welcome to our virtual showroom.
Bullseye is very different from REC TEC's popular 680 pellet smoker. The 680 has a sophisticated touchpad PID controller, while Bullseye has this really old-fashioned dial controller that doesn't even have temperature markings on it. And it does not have thermostatic control. This is a big step backward for REC TEC in my view. Thermostatic control is pretty much expected these days on pellet smokers. Another difference is construction. 680 is very solid. This is not. The 680 has heavy stainless steel fasteners. These are lightweight and cheap. No thermostat. The Firepot doesn't look unusual. Bullseye's flame deflector rests right over the Firepot, dispersing the heat throughout. Although some pellet smokers claim to have searing capability, it's usually limited to a small area right over the Firepot. REC TEC says Bullseye can be used as a high-temperature grill across the entire cook surface. The 15-pound pellet hopper has a lid with a latch, stands on 4 legs with 2 wheels in the front, and you just grab this handle on the hopper to move it around. We're disappointed Bullseye has no thermostatic control, and construction quality is not what we'd expect from REC TEC. But if it can sear as advertised, Bullseye will be unique in the world of pellet smokers. We're about to find out. I thoroughly tested this model. If you're watching on YouTube, scroll down right under the little piggy with the red hat and click on the link to my full detailed review.
For more about this and hundreds of other grills and smokers, visit AmazingRibs.com, where you'll also get tested recipes, tips and techniques, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking. AmazingRibs.com, the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the world.